What if I told you that you could earn money from real estate in South Africa, without ever buying a property? No agents, no tenants, no headaches, just pure passive income? That's precisely what Easy Properties offers. In this video, I'll show you how it works, how much you can earn, and whether it's worth your time. Let's dive in. Section 1. What is Easy Properties? Easy Properties is a South African platform that lets you invest in real estate, without actually buying a whole property. Instead, you buy fractions of properties, and when they earn rental income or appreciate, you get paid. Here's the best part. You can start with as little as 500 Rand. No banks, no huge loans, just small investments that grow over time. Whether you want extra side income or long-term wealth, Easy Properties makes real estate investing accessible to everyone. Section 2. How to sign up and start earning. Step 1. Register. Go to easyproperties.co.za, link in description. Enter your details and verify your account. Keycap 2. Step 2. Deposit funds. Choose your investment amount, 500 Rand minimum. Use instant EFT, card, or bank transfer. Step 3. Pick a property and earn. Browse properties, look for high rental yields. Invest and start earning passive income. Once you invest, you'll earn rental income monthly plus potential profits when the property value increases. You don't have to manage anything. Easy Properties handles everything. Section 3. Is Easy Properties legit or a scam? Now, is Easy Properties safe? Here's the truth. It's a registered company in South Africa, and they work with real properties. But like any investment, there are risks. Property values can go down, and returns aren't guaranteed. I'd say it's legit, but not a get-rich-quick scheme. Do your research, start small, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Section 5. Tips to maximize earnings. Want to make the most of Easy Properties? Follow these tips. Tip 1. Reinvest your earnings to grow faster, compound interest. Tip 2. Focus on properties with high rental demand, like student housing or city apartments. Tip 3. Diversify. Spread your investments across multiple properties to reduce risk. And never put all your money into one platform, always diversify your investments. So, is Easy Properties worth it? If you want an easy way to dip into real estate with low risk, yes. It's perfect for beginners, side hustlers, or anyone who wants passive income. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more money-making tips. And drop a comment below. Have you tried Easy Properties? What's your experience?